Hi everyone, my name is Crystal Alvarez. I'm an orientation and mobility specialist and vision rehabilitation therapist at Vision Services for the Blind. And today I want to talk to you about my Meta Ray-Ban glasses. The Meta Ray-Ban glasses are a pair of smart glasses that help with everyday life activities. Today, I kind of want to show you some of the cool tricks that I've been able to do with the glasses, as well as things that I've been able to teach my clients in order to make their day-to-day activities just a little bit easier. Do you want to see? So one of the cool things we teach when we do wayfinding for orientation and mobility is how to use the glasses to find addresses that we're looking for. So I'm looking for the building 510, and I'm going to see if these glasses can help me identify the address. Hey Meta, what building address is this?
The building address appears to be 500.
Okay, that's not what I'm looking for. Hey Meta, what building address is this?
Snap a photo?
Sure.
The building address appears to be 510.
Oh, here we are. This is our building. Thank you, Meta. A really cool feature of these glasses is something called Live AI. And what Live AI is, it's basically an automated visual volunteer that can assist more quickly. So instead of constantly saying, hey, blank, I don't want to say the name to activate them, you would just say activate Live AI and it will stay on and listen for your commands. And you can basically just ask anything. What is this? Who is that? Where are we? Whatever, without saying the wake word. And it just has a constant flow of conversation. So the best way I like to use this is at a grocery store. We're gonna go inside right now and I can show you what I'm talking about. Hey Meta, start Live AI.
Starting Live AI. During a session, I can see what you see. And you don't need to keep saying, hey Meta. We can just have an ongoing conversation.
What's in this aisle?
This aisle is filled with various types of M&M's candies, including chocolate and peanut flavors.
What about this section?
This section has a variety of premium chocolates, including Toblerone, Lindt, and Hershey's.
What am I holding?
You are holding a bag of goldfish crackers.
What are these?
These are various snack chips, including Doritos, Lay's, and Cheetos.
Hey Meta, what am I looking at?
You are looking at a variety of beef jerky products, including Chomps and Jack Links.
What flavor am I holding?
You are holding a package of jalapeno beef sticks from Chomps.
Is there any sugar in this?
No, Chomps jalapeno beef sticks have 0 sugar.
Some of the other ways that the Meta glasses can help you with shopping include finding specific aisles, finding specific sizes, identifying colors of clothing. You can also have it help you identify dollar bills. These glasses are extremely helpful in any kind of shopping situations. Before the Meta glasses, if we wanted to find out what color our clothing was, we'd have to either use a colorino or a talking label wand or a pen friend. Now I can open my closet and say, hey Meta, start Live AI.
Starting Live AI. What a tidy closet space. What can I help with?
What color is this jacket?
The jacket is pink and white.
What about this jacket that I'm currently touching?
The jacket you're touching is blue.
What about the sweater I'm currently touching?
The sweater you're touching is maroon.
Thank you. This definitely helps when I want to keep fashion all together, and it helps clients to get out of their houses quickly and more efficiently by being able to color coordinate their clothing, whether it's for school, work, or just everyday fun. And I would like to give a special thanks to the Inspiration Foundation and Cleanlogic for funding the grant that provided these glasses for our Vision Rehab staff. Because of these glasses, we have been able to not only learn about these glasses in a very extensive way, but teach our clients in real life situations how to use these glasses in their everyday lives. We're very happy to be able to use these glasses to help with that.
Vision's services for the blind and visually impaired. See what is possible.